When it comes to capturing high-quality, action-packed footage, having the best action camera is crucial. Not all action cameras are created equal, and choosing the right one can make a big difference in the quality and versatility of your footage. That's why we've done the research to bring you the top 3 best action cameras for 2023. You can find links to each product in the description below. Whether you're an extreme sports enthusiast, a vlogger, or just looking to capture your adventures in the great outdoors, these cameras are sure to meet your needs. Number 3. Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition Action Camera. This camera boasts an impressive list of features, including interchangeable lenses, 4K and 5.7K video capture resolutions, 48 megapixel photos, active HDR, and AI editing. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. First, let's talk about interchangeable lenses. The ONE RS comes with both a 4K boost lens and a 360 lens, giving you the option to switch between wide-angle and 360-degree views. This is great for those who want the flexibility to capture both stunning landscapes and immersive 360 content. The 4K boost lens is perfect for capturing ultra-detailed wide-angle videos, while the 360 lens allows for endless creative possibilities. And with the new flow state stabilization feature, you can expect buttery smooth image stabilization no matter which lens you're using. In addition to its impressive video capabilities, the ONE RS also takes stunning 48 megapixel photos and features active HDR for vibrant action shots. And with the 6K widescreen mode, you can expect ultra-detailed video footage. But perhaps one of the most unique features of the ONE RS is the invisible selfie stick. This allows you to capture third-person views of yourself without the help of a friend or cameraman, giving you the ability to get drone-like footage and perspectives without actually using a drone. One thing to note is that the ONE RS is rugged and waterproof, with a waterproof rating of up to 16 feet, 5 meters. However, if you want to use it for deep or rough water conditions, such as surfing, you'll need to use the dive case for protection. Overall, the Insta360 ONE RS Twin Edition Action Camera is a versatile and feature-packed camera that is great for capturing wide-angle and 360-degree content. With its interchangeable lenses, high-resolution video and photo capabilities, active HDR, and unique invisible selfie stick feature, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new action camera. Number 2. GoPro Hero 10 Black Action Camera. This camera is the latest in GoPro's line of high-quality action cameras and boasts a variety of impressive features, including 5.3K video at 60 frames per second, 23 megapixel photos, 1080p live streaming, and stabilization. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the image quality of the Hero 10 Black. This camera is capable of capturing incredibly sharp and detailed photos and video, thanks to its upgraded 23 megapixel sensor and 5.3K video resolution at 60 frames per second. And with the new GP2 chip, you can expect snappy performance and doubled the frame rate for smooth footage. In addition to its impressive video and photo capabilities, the Hero 10 Black also has a range of useful features for capturing action shots. With its hyper-smooth 4.0 video stabilization, you can get smooth and stable footage, even in challenging conditions. And for even better low-light performance and horizon leveling, the Hero 10 Black has a higher tilt limit. One of the standout features of the Hero 10 Black is its fast and reliable connectivity. With its cloud-connected capabilities, you can easily transfer photos and videos from your camera to your phone via the Quick app or via a lightning-fast wired connection. And with unlimited cloud storage and hassle-free auto-upload, you'll never have to worry about losing your footage. Overall, the GoPro Hero 10 Black is a powerful and feature-packed action camera that is perfect for those who want the best image quality and a range of useful features for capturing action shots. If you're in the market for a new action camera, the Hero 10 Black is definitely worth considering. Number 1. Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition camera. This camera is co-engineered with Leica and boasts a range of impressive features, including dual 1-inch sensors, 6K 360 video, 21 megapixel 360 photos, and flow state stabilization. But is it worth the investment? Let's find out. First, let's talk about the image quality of the ONE RS. With its dual 1-inch CMOS sensors, this camera delivers unparalleled image quality with outstanding dynamic range and superb low-light performance. This makes it perfect for capturing stunning 360-degree footage in a variety of lighting conditions. In terms of video capabilities, the ONE RS can easily capture 6K 360-degree video, giving you the ultimate creative tool for capturing impossible shots. And with its invisible selfie stick and 360 reframing features, you can get a range of unique and immersive perspectives. In addition to its video capabilities, the ONE RS also takes sharp and seamless 21 megapixel 360 stills. And with the new PureShot HDR mode, powered by AI, you can expect even higher dynamic range in your photos. One of the standout features of the ONE RS is its flow state stabilization, which combines with the camera's horizon leveling algorithms to deliver incredibly smooth videos. This makes it easy to get stable footage, no matter what you're shooting. Overall, the Insta360 ONE RS 1-inch 360 edition is a versatile and feature-packed camera that is perfect for those who want the highest quality 360-degree footage. With its dual 1-inch sensors, 6K video, and flow state stabilization, it's definitely worth considering if you're in the market for a new 360 camera. Well, that's all for this review of the top 3 best action cameras for 2023. We hope you found this information helpful and that it's helped you make a decision on which camera is the best fit for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech-related content. We'll be back with more information and updates on the latest and greatest in the world of action cameras and other technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.